Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process to find the hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. So if you're looking out how to do so, you may basically follow up these steps for that and you should be able to find it. So open up WhatsApp for that and log in into your account, and you either need to swipe down on your main chat list or type your secret code in the search bar depending on how the feature was set up. So once you open up your WhatsApp, you can go to the main chat page and you can swipe down like this. And once you swipe down, a folder named Log Chats will appear at the very top. So you just need to tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can use your phone security. I have a code, so I'm just going to enter it up. And once you enter it up, you will be inside the log chat available. There you'll be finding all of the log chat on your WhatsApp. This is how you do it, usually to find your log chat. But if you want to hide it and you want to find it, you can look out for one of the chat, and then you can go to the chat name at the very top. And from there, you just need to scroll down and look out for the option called chat log. So just go over and enable this option right there. And once you enable it, the particular chat will be available in the very top section called log chat. You just need to scroll down at the until that option pops up on your screen, and that is it. So that's it, everybody. In order to find the hidden log chat, you can follow up this step pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.